It seems that Doggone County is kind of a famous place for little showers and thunder showers to blossom. Just like yesterday, we've had some more, but it's very sporadic, light activity moving around, popping up around McAllen, Edinburg, and Lynn San Manuel. Zoom right on in, and you can see north of Alton there and north of San Juan as it moves off to the northwest. This activity is very light. You might hear a rumble or two. That's pretty much about it. 2-hour radar. In other words, the next 2 hours. Future radar shows how it will all move off to the northwest and continue to die out in the rest of the valley. We'll just have to wait for tomorrow to see if maybe the rest of us can get something. 75 overnight tonight, partly cloudy, southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then for tomorrow morning, 80 by 8 and partly cloudy skies and warm and humid for the most part throughout the morning. Running on into the midday, 91, 94 by afternoon, and a return of that opportunity for some showers, rumbles of thunder. That's pretty much about it. But the forecast doesn't include anywhere across the Rio Grande Valley, not just Hidalgo County like the last 2 days. Looking at that southeast wind gusting to 20 at times. 92 in the mid-valley, 95 in the upper valley. That's actually a couple degrees below normal, but who's counting? That's certainly close enough. But then you throw the humidity and the temperature in together, and then you get what it feels like. So your body struggles to cool the more humid it is. It's going to feel like 104 at McAllen tomorrow. It's going to feel like 102 at Brownsville and 103 at Raymondville. The best chance for rain will be at the peak daytime heating in the afternoon, noon, 4 o'clock. But look at that. That's not much. It's pretty small. Now the thing is, we only have a couple of ingredients left to really contribute to rain development, and that is daytime heating and the moisture that's in the atmosphere. We don't have the sea breeze, east wind blowing in the afternoon. We don't have troughing in the southern Gulf of Mexico to help out, or mid-level troughing coming in from Mexico to help. We don't have anything to help. It's just left up to the warming of the air and bubbling up that moisture that's in the air and forcing it out as pockets of rain. So the Storm Prediction Center says, yeah, that's pretty pitiful. So we'll keep your opportunity for thunderstorms at the general category. We don't expect to see the mechanism for severe weather at all. So that's why they're keeping us in the low zone. Sunday may just be the same type of thunderstorm activity, but more of it, and rain activity for Sunday and leading into Monday. Weather Prediction Center points to about 1/100 of an inch to 1/10 of an inch of rain. That's puny stuff, maybe 1/4 of an inch near the coast. The tropical snapshot, well, over the course of the next 7 days, I dare say very little is going to blossom from the Atlantic all the way over to the Gulf with the Caribbean in the middle there. Not much, because we've got plenty of dust that's continuing on. That's going to continue on off Africa and make its move across into deep South Texas for day after day after day. So you get that little tickle in the throat, the red eyes and such, the hazy in the sky, all as a result of that abundant Saharan dust. Now, as far as what's going to go on Sunday, what I showed you on the graph, a little bit better chance for rain. Again, much the same, but some added ingredients, maybe a little upper level help there, but that's just about it. I think basically we're looking at just more of the same, but a better opportunity on Sunday for rain and rumbles. 7-day forecast shows us that, pushing on through with the opportunity for rain still on Monday. And that's pretty much about it, just more of the same. And look at those high temperatures. That's normal stuff for this time of year.